offense, but you ugly.
Oh shoot, this thing recording?
Stop the cap.
What's up guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, I know y'all gonna get sick of these videos, but hey, it's another video working on this bad boy.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Today we are going to figure out if it's gonna be worth doing any work to it. And if, you know, when I'm talking about doing work is cosmetic stuff. If the engine don't test out good, I mean, really, what's the point of even putting money into this car? So what we're gonna do today is gonna be the first step of seeing how good this engine is. And we're gonna do a compression test. That's gonna kind of give us an idea how this engine is running. I don't feel no loss of power, even though, you know, from the factory, this thing probably got about 100 horsepower.
Yes! Feel the power of...
But don't feel any loss of power. I go at highway speeds all the time. Just want to make sure, you know, I kind of protect my investment. If I'm putting a little money into it, I don't want to end up having to put a whole new engine in there. If I have to, I'd rather do that than just trying to pretty much like make a turd look pretty. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do today, y'all gonna, please don't leave the video. You already clicked on the video, y'all saw the title and the thumbnail, man. So just stay tuned, man, stick with me. I'm gonna do a compression test. We're gonna see how this engine is gonna be. We're gonna, it's pretty much gonna be simple. It's 4 cylinders, it's gonna be right up the top. Let me go ahead and open up the hood, just so we can see what we got. What I'm gonna do a little TV magic, as you will. I'm gonna just go.
Perfect.
All right, guys, as old folks say, now we cooking with grease.
Just come here.
Oh. Let me ask y'all something. I know this is gonna be a big controversy thing in the comments. But do you wear your slides, your flip flops, your toe stompers with socks, or do you do it barefoot? Go down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all do. You know what I'm saying? I'm a country boy. Most of the time I do it without socks, man. I walk around the house without socks. If I ain't gotta put socks on, I ain't standing, man. Especially in the heat. Boy, I ain't putting no socks on, y'all. But enough with the old nasty foot stuff. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead. As y'all can see, man, this is not the most beautiful engine bay, but she still runs pretty good. So what I'm going to do, first things first, probably gonna end up just taking out the spark plugs, just to try to see what's what. Pull the fuel pump fuse and probably the ignition fuse, just so we don't have any issues of it trying to crank up. It's probably down there. Well, I'll show y'all whatever I pull out. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these spark plugs and then we'll go from there. Y'all know TNT fashion, y'all. I know it's late out at night, man, but I'm always doing something, bro. You see these two? My stupid self left the impact on tight. And you know them little bitty bolts, they can't take all that, man. They can't take all that pressure. So stupid, bro. This has got some more work for me to do. You know, it is what it is. But I'm gonna show y'all the spark plugs. I'm not a spark plug connoisseur. Don't know how spark plugs are supposed to look. Just see if they're running rich or not, or anything like that, burning coolant. But I'm just gonna show you guys. Show you guys what it's looking like. All of them looking like they're burning, you know, pretty even. It was a little hard to get out. Don't know if I had put anti-seize on these before. Probably did. You know, it's just been, you know, a long time. These are NGK iridium plugs. So, you know, they're 100,000 mile. We'll probably end up, you know, replacing them at some point here soon. You know, because it's only 4. Not going to take long to do. But now, I'm going to probably see if I can try to take these screws out of here. I mean, whatever's left. And then, you know, I'll pull out the fuse and all that stuff. Ah, this is so stupid. Unnecessary work, y'all. All right, y'all. I was able to get it out. Super easy. All I got is my Dremel. And then I cut, I don't know if you can see it. I just cut a slit in it. And you know, these aren't torqued down that bad. So, you know, I was able to get it out with a screwdriver, a flathead. But now we're gonna go ahead and pull the fuse. And then we'll start on the compression test. Lord have mercy. Even though this took 2 minutes. All right, y'all, I think this is gonna be the hardest part of the whole thing, or this was the hardest part. You see, I got my glasses on. As you can see, you have to get this fuse panel out of here. There's a fuse in here at the bottom. I can't remember what fuse. It says fuel pump. It's 15 amp right here. And also it is a relay, ignition relay in the back that you got to pull out back here. It's just a headache to get this crap out of here, but I got it out. Now it's time to hook up the hose up front. Well, maybe I might need to bring my light. And as y'all know, I'm gonna have to do some sprucing up in here, man, to get me some more light. It's not YouTube friendly. Let's see what we got here. Man, I hope this thing got the right. Yeah, I believe it does. Have the right adapter to it. We're gonna start with cylinder 1. That's gonna be pretty much closest to your drive belt over here. Just screw it in, hand tight, if I can do it. Come on, buddy. All right, hold on. Let me put y'all down and see if I can put this in. Well, we got something else going kind of wrong here. If y'all see anything missing, that's supposed to be the pressure release. I don't even think it's gonna hold any pressure. Oh my gosh, man. This is so retarded. This is crazy. And I tried looking for one. This has just been so dumb. We'll see what it does. Okay. This cylinder looks like it has $170.
Psych!
All right, y'all. Now we're gonna go to the next one. Woo! This one is a little bit higher. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can't see that. Hold on. Why y'all ain't tell me y'all can't see it, man? That one is definitely at 170. Cylinder number 3. This is not good. I want to try it one more time. All right, we're gonna try cylinder number 3 again. Uh-oh. Still down. Right under 120. Right under 120. Man, I'm kind of disappointed. The way the other ones look. Oh man. I might have 2 dead cylinders, y'all. I mean, 2 dying cylinders. This one is even worse. Shoot, what is that? 110? Yeah. Hopefully y'all can see. I know it's low light, but these 2 down here are not good. I wonder if these were false readings. I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna come back and let y'all see it. One thing I think I forgot to do, I didn't do it on a hot or warm engine. That may be the issue too. Cause I mean, I ain't gonna tell a lot. The car ain't been having no running issues. besides like a warm idle, not warm idling, but pretty much a warm start. And I heard that was a recall with the fuel pump, but hey, you never know, man. I'm gonna try it a couple more times and I'm gonna see what the result is, and then I'll let y'all know what I got. Y'all stay tuned now. Y'all need to stay tuned for this, cause I'm gonna have to make a decision, y'all.
Look ugly when I cry because I'm crying for my baby.
Well, y'all, I don't know if I got a definitive answer from today's compression test. Probably should do a leak down test, but knowing me, I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm just gonna probably just send it, change the spark plugs out, and then just do little tasteful stuff here and there while it's running. I don't think I just need to just worry about it, because you know, she haven't given me any reason to worry about it. I was just trying to do it just to, you know, make sure, you know, she was running good enough for me to do a little stuff to, and I think she is. Just gonna show you guys the numbers. Only thing that's really scaring me is right over here. Like after the first one, it dipped so far. And right here, this is the wet test. So as y'all could see, I dropped some oil down in the chambers just to see, not the chambers, but the cylinders, just to see what the wet compression test would be like. So right here, I was happy. Then I got right here, I said, could be a head gasket issue, but it's still, you know what I'm saying, over 100. See right here, it went up some, you know, which is normal for a worn engine. Now this is the strongest consistent cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 2 is doing well. You know, these are pretty consistent. Only thing is, this is what scared me. It was cylinder 1. I did get up to around 115, 120 on the wet test. This was the first test, but I don't think I crunk it enough, so I did it again. So I got it up to here. But cylinder 1 looks like, I don't know, it's just worn out, man. But, you know, what am I supposed to think for, oh, hold on, my bad. I mean, what am I supposed to think? You know what I'm saying? This engine has over 200,000 miles on it. It's gonna be worn out. It's gonna be, you know, a little tired. So what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna do stuff here and there. But you know, my title's gonna be a little something different. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't hate on your boy, but that's just how YouTube is, y'all. At least I'm telling y'all the truth. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, either way, hopefully you guys like the video. I know most of y'all ain't, because it's not C10 content, but you know, I'm trying to broaden my audience just a little bit, just in case, you know what I'm saying, I can't work on the C10. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what to say, y'all. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for everything, y'all. I'm finna go get some sleep, put the stuff back together. Love y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.